affordable, chic, and convenient lifestyle? I'm Shalaye with Vital Source Realty, and welcome to Station Lofts at 33 Central Square in Lynn's historic, cultural, and arts district. At 548 square feet, this sexy studio loft is both versatile and sensible. The new owner will enjoy all the perks of urban coastal living with beaches less than half a mile away and walking distance to shopping, restaurants, and theater. No car, no problem. This loft is located right between Lynn Station and Central Square Station.